For Christmas?
My wrapper's over there.
Hey Roman, did you get everything you wanted?
Yeah.
You did? Good. I think there might be something over there.
Let me see. Look, Roman, why don't you put that down for a minute? We'll play with that a little later.
Hey. It's okay. And the tray table.
Oh!
Tray table. Yeah, so cool, Roman. Santa even brought you some coffee. And I'm done.
Oh, you have to share, Roman.
But that's a play.
Roman, what's up there?
What's up there? I wonder what is right there, Roman. What's right there? And why isn't that over there, Roman? Are you gonna move that? Look, Roman, it's a star.
We'll have to share that, Roman.
Roman, can you show me your train table?
I'm probably gonna get pretty much all I want for Christmas.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I get big, big blazes. That's true. I'm not
Help
kidding.
me?
What?
Roman, what do you have? A train table? Is that what you asked Santa for?
Yeah, that's it.
Straight to plane.
Stuff it in there.
Make it big.
Hey bud, can you say Merry Christmas?